Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 5 of the best tablets that redefine mobile computing and creativity. From everyday workhorses to professional-grade powerhouses and portable gaming beasts, these devices prove that tablets have evolved far beyond simple content consumption. Whether you're a student taking notes, a creative professional designing on the go, or a gamer seeking portable performance, these tablets combine cutting-edge technology with versatility like no other. Let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus Pad 3, best for everyday use. The OnePlus Pad 3 is the perfect everyday tablet that delivers premium features without the premium price tag. Featuring a stunning 11.6-inch 144Hz display with vibrant colors and smooth scrolling, this tablet makes everything from browsing social media to streaming movies an absolute pleasure. Powered by a capable MediaTek Dimensity processor, it handles multitasking, productivity apps, and casual gaming with ease. The massive battery provides all-day usage on a single charge, while 67W fast charging gets you back to full power in under an hour. With quad speakers tuned for immersive audio, a sleek aluminum design, and OnePlus's clean Oxygen OS interface, the Pad 3 is ideal for families and casual users who want reliable performance for everyday tasks. The OnePlus Pad 3 retails for approximately $379 USD. Number 4. Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, best for students. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro is specifically designed for students who need a versatile device for learning, note-taking, and productivity. This tablet features an included precision stylus with palm rejection technology, making digital note-taking feel natural and responsive in OneNote or Google Keep. The 12.7-inch 3K display with anti-glare coating ensures comfortable reading during long study sessions, while the detachable keyboard transforms it into a full laptop replacement. With up to 12 hours of battery life, students can get through a full day of classes without hunting for outlets. The dual-camera system supports scanning documents and video calls for remote learning, and expandable storage via microSD means you'll never run out of space for textbooks and assignments. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro retails for approximately $449 USD. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, best premium Android. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is the pinnacle of Android tablet engineering, offering an uncompromising premium experience for power users. Featuring a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, this tablet delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks and vibrant colors that make content come alive. The flagship Snapdragon processor with up to 16 GB of RAM ensures desktop-class multitasking with Samsung DeX mode, allowing you to run multiple apps in resizable windows. The included S Pen with ultra-low latency feels like writing on paper, perfect for artists and note-takers. With quad AKG-tuned speakers, 5G connectivity options, and IP68 water resistance, the Tab S11 Ultra combines luxury with functionality. Whether you're editing photos in Lightroom or managing spreadsheets, this is Android's ultimate tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra retails for approximately $1,299 USD. Number 2. Apple iPad Pro M5, best for creative professionals. The Apple iPad Pro M5 is a creative powerhouse that brings desktop-class performance to the tablet form factor with Apple's revolutionary M5 chip. Featuring the stunning Ultra Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology and extreme brightness, this iPad delivers reference-quality visuals for photographers, videographers, and designers. The M5 chip with enhanced neural engine makes professional workflows in apps like Procreate, Final Cut Pro, and Adobe Creative Suite incredibly smooth and responsive. The Apple Pencil Pro with haptic feedback and squeeze gestures provides an unmatched digital drawing and annotation experience. With Thunderbolt connectivity, support for external displays up to 6K, and all-day battery life, the iPad Pro M5 is the ultimate mobile studio. Face ID, LiDAR scanner, and ProGrade cameras round out this premium creative tool. The Apple iPad Pro M5 starts at approximately $989 USD. Number 1. ASUS ROG Flow Z13, best for gaming. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 is the ultimate gaming tablet that shatters expectations of what portable gaming can be. Built around Intel's latest high-performance processors and discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, this convertible beast delivers desktop-level gaming performance in a sleek tablet chassis. The 13.4-inch display with up to 165 Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology ensures buttery smooth gameplay in competitive titles. The innovative cooling system with vapor chamber and dual fans keeps temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions, while the detachable RGB keyboard with anti-ghosting keys provides precision control. With ROG XG mobile support, you can connect an external GPU dock for even more graphics power when gaming at home. Featuring per-key RGB lighting, Wi-Fi 6E, and a built-in kickstand, the ROG Flow Z13 is built for gamers who refuse to compromise between portability and performance. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 retails for approximately $105.99 USD,